thing is about the components in an electrical circuit. So you have to know the names of your components and be able to draw them. So we'll just name the components in this circuit and then we'll look at a few more. The first one here at the top, very often people draw this as a symbol for the battery, but in actual fact when you only have one of these it's actually called a cell, C-E-L-L. It's called a cell. This is a connecting lead, so it's called a lead, L-E-A-D. The next one here is a box with an arrow through it. There's one over here as well which is just a box. So the box is a resistor. And then the one with the arrow through it means that you can change the size of the resistance, and we call it a variable resistor. And the last one at the bottom here with an X through it is a bulb. That's a bulb. Okay, so we're going to meet a few more now in a minute. And again, this is a connecting wire, this one here. So our connecting lead, and that's not going to come out very well, so we'll maybe try and change the pen, get a better one which will come out. See if this one's any better. L-E-A-D. So that's a lead, it hasn't come out too well. The next one, of course, with the open bit here is a switch, and it's an open switch. And the next one then is a closed switch. It's not very often drawn like that, so this one is a closed switch. These are just some more components. First one here is a lead that we would use to connect in our circuit. The second one is a switch. The third one would be a closed switch. Now a switch is most normally shown like this one here. So this is a closed switch. You can see the two wee points there which would connect it into the circuit. And the last one is a fuse. And it's got a line through it, and that represents a wee piece of conductor through the middle of a fuse which melts whenever too much current flows through it. And then just four more here, which you can't really see the names of, so I'm just going to go over them again. This is a battery, because it's got more than one cell. The next one is a voltmeter. The next one is an ammeter, so it's got an A in the centre. It's used to measure current. And the last one is a diode. And you have to learn this as something which limits the direction that current can flow in.